You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly in British English and American English pronunciations, because they are slightly different. Let's go through in the UK British English. Frightened, frightened, a clear T sound. Frightened, stress on the first syllable. Now, in American English, you have two different ways. Either frightened with a flap T, which is pronounced more like a D. Frightened. Then the other pronunciation is as frightened, where all the sound goes through your nose, so there's no D sound, it's frightened. American English, therefore, two different pronunciations, frightened or frightened. Could you hear the difference? The British English again is frightened. Could you all hear the difference between the three pronunciations? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.